My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Mini Hatch. This vehicle has done just over 15,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control and automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our notifications, Mini Connected, My Mini, navigation, media and radio, and communication. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control, heated seats on either side, and 4 different driving modes to choose from. Starting with Sport, Mid, Green, and Green Plus. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.